Hey there, it's your karma guy here. We've got an amazing deal for you. This vehicle has been reduced thousands due to an accident and comes with a Georgia rebuilt title. But don't worry, repairs have been made and it's ready for a new owner. It has an incredible dealer service history with 34 records and a recent major service valued at over $3,340. Plus, it includes the original books and current Georgia state emissions. As a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle, it's backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. You can also grab a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price at the time of sale. Don't forget to ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade option when you buy. Recent services include 2 new tires, spark plugs, a pre-delivery inspection, valve cover gaskets, an air filter, a fuel pump, and a fresh oil and filter change. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.